little artists. Today, we're going to draw and color a super cute Valentine cupcake with heart decorations. Grab your markers and let's get started. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Let's begin with our black marker. First, we will draw the cup of our cupcake. Make a nice rounded shape with a flat top. Now, let's add a big, swirly cream on top. Make curvy lines like a soft serve ice cream. Let's make it a Valentine's special cupcake. Draw 2 cute heart shapes on the cream. Now, let's finish the swirly cream topping. And add one more big heart right at the top. Our drawing is complete. Nice job, everyone. Now, let's bolden the outline to make our cupcake pop. Wow, look at that! Our cupcake is dancing!
Yay!
So awesome! Now, let's bring our cupcake to life with rainbow colors. Grab your color pens and let's start! Red color.
Wow! La 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 la.
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Wow! Our Valentine cupcake looks so colorful and cute. Great job, everyone! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun drawings. See you next time. Bye!
Yay!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.